Hi there! In this video, we'll continue with the Conditional Checkout plugin and focus on shipping destinations and billing and shipping fields. Let's continue with Conditional Shipping Destination. It restricts or allows where customers can ship their orders based on conditions. Then open the Shipping Destination tab and click Add New Rule. Use case: plug checkout for restricted countries. Enable the rule. Enter the description: restrict shipping destinations. In the custom notice, enter a message like shipping is not available to your selected destination. In targets, select the countries you want to restrict, for example, United States. Add a condition, for example, order total less than $1,000. Click Save Rule. Now let's test it on the checkout page. I will select a restricted country. As you can see, a notice message is displayed and the customer cannot continue checkout. Now let's move on to billing and shipping fields. This tab allows you to show, hide, checkout fields like first name, address, zip code, or order notes, exactly the fields you see on the checkout page right now. In this example, I will show you how to hide the zip code field. Enable the rule. Enter the description, hide zip code field. For action, select hide. In targets, choose zip code. For the condition, we'll use order total greater than 0. This means the field will always be hidden. Click Save Rule. Now, when we go back to the checkout page, you'll notice that the zip code field is no longer visible, while other fields like name, address, city, and country remain unchanged. This helps simplify the checkout form and improve the customer experience. And that's it, you know how to control payments, shipping, destinations, and checkout fields using Conditional Checkout for WooCommerce. Thanks for watching and feel free to check out the other tutorials.